Hello everyone, welcome back. And in today's video, we'll be learning a simple and powerful, swing trading strategy, which you might have not heard till now, probably. So let's see that. Today we are going to use particular two specific things to, learn this strategy. If you're already trading in a market for a while, or if you're a beginner to the stock market, regardless of that, it's going to help you. And before that, if you're not yet subscribe to our channel, please get subscribed to our channel and please like this video. And let's continue. Okay, so this particular trading strategy which I'm about to discuss right now, which works in a daily chart. Okay, so let me go back here. And this for you, you have to, if you're already learned the candlestick chart and all everything, so it's going to helpful if you're a beginner. So I'm telling you, make sure that you have knowledge about the candlestick chart and all. So if you're already trading in the market, you can learn directly. So you have to apply a daily chart for this. You have to use the daily chart for this strategy. And this strategy, we are using two specific things. One is a one candlestick, single candlestick pattern. That is, we are going to learn. That is, everybody knows about this. This is a hammer type of a candle. Okay, we are going to use a hammer candle plus 10 EMA. We are going to combine these two things. Let's see how we can effectively use hammer candle and 10 EMA for your swing trading strategy. Okay, so that means we are going to learn today a swing trading strategy. This is a particular strategy. See, so many strategies are available on YouTube, but I feel, so when I found out about this, I feel that sharing with it you, and it may help you in your trading journey. So let's see that once you learn this, go back and test and let me know your results in a comment section. All right, so that let's continue without further delay. So what I will do right now, very simple but yet very powerful. You don't need to scratch your head or like that. You don't need to bang your head against the wall. It's very simple. See, what you need to do is that put a daily chart, right? So in a trading view, if you go, you can put a daily chart, actually 1 day chart. Then you go and plot 10 EMA. All right, so I already plotted a 10 EMA. Once again, I'll show you if you don't know how to plot it. So you go here, exponential, moving average exponential. Default, it will be 9. What you need to do, you have to change it to 10 actually. So 10 is the standard moving average exponential, not simple. It is an exponential moving average which we are going to use for this particular strategy. All right. So then if you want to use RSI, you can use, or else I will just, close this RSI indicator right now. Okay. You can tune up, in a further days, you can tune up this strategy. What you need to do is that specific few things you have to, keep in your mind. If this stock is already in a previously established, for the example, I am taking the Turkish Industries Sugar here. Please check if there is any prior trend is established in a stock. Actually, it will be helpful in your trading. I'm telling you, it will increase the accuracy. See, no trading strategy is 100%, it works. It's not going to work like that. Okay, even 50-60% strategies works well in a stock market. It can help your trading. So please go back and check. I have not checked how much is accuracy of the strategy and all. You can check it yourself, back test it and let me know in a comment section, but hope it will help you. That's what I find. That's why I'm sharing it. So you see that there is a prior trend in this stock, Dwarkish Sugar actually. Then after that, it dropped below 10 EMA, right? So once again, it started resuming its uptrend. Can you see that whatever the trend it was there previously, it started continuing the trend and slowly it was coming out of the 10 EMA. And after that, immediately once what you need to notice here is that once the stock crosses above the 10 EMA and immediately come and create this kind of a candle. Okay, so this looks like pin bar or something like that, but looks like a hammer also. You can see that. Okay, what I need is that rejection from 10 EMA, standard EMA, right? So you can see that you should not go fully below 10 EMA, or it should just touch the spike is important here. You can call any candle, hammer candle, whatever it is, you can call it, but the name is not important. How you look into this, candle is really important. Candle should have a long spike to 10 EMA exactly. It should take a support at 10 EMA, not go below that. Okay, and it should have crossed 10 EMA. Prior to that, it should cross the 10 EMA, and after that immediately it took a 10 EMA support. That is where you're going to place your orders actually here at the closing of the day in the evening after 3 p.m. or something like that. Notice where the closing is coming. And we don't want much upper side higher tails. Actually, we need a low. You can see that it's not a big tail. Actually, it's okay, medium tail upper side, that is also fine. What you can do, you can put a stop loss below this 10 EMA like this, below this spike, and you can go for this trade. And if you look at this, actually, this is a one candle risk. You can see multiple candle reward, nearly 27% in just 2 days. If you look at it clearly, all right. So this is the potential of this particular strategy, which I figured it out. So I noticed it actually when I was checking and all. I was noticing this, and I thought of sharing this. Hope it's gonna help you. Okay, let's go to the Laura's lab right now. Let's see if you can, I can able to show you this, one more time properly. Laura's lab. Let's go here. Can you see this? Okay. Yeah, very good actually. But if this strategy, if you want to make it really very well works for you, you need to have patience. You need to know that there should be a prior trend and there should be a stock went below the 10 EMA. Then once again, it is coming above and taking a support from a 10 EMA. And you can see that this is a candle, but it slightly went below. I told you, if it touches exactly 10 EMA, it will be good actually, much good. But it's fine. Here, because we are combining multiple things here. We are not only combining, like 10 EMA and hammer. We are just, going with the trend. That is also you need to understand this. Hope you're able to get. We are already going with the trend. We're not going against the trend. For example, prior trend is uptrend, right? How do I know prior trend is upside? Last, like 10 to 20 days, check it, it was up, right? Then after that, next 7 to 8 days, it was down. Then it's coming about 10 EMA and taking a hammer and, going upside, right? So that means you can place a, stop loss below this, 10 EMA, below this hammer kind of a candle. Okay, and you can ride this trend till it is about 10 EMA. That's your choice. Till the stock is about 10 EMA, you can hold it and you can exit around here. It will be around, like, for example, 26%, right? So Laura's lab, next stock. So multiple, stocks, you can go and check, I just, pick a few stocks here, but you can go and properly do some research on this strategy. So it may help you in your trading. Okay, but here in this example, look at here. It doesn't mean that if there is no prior trend, this is the second scenario. First scenario is that there should be a prior trend. That is one way to do it. The another way is that, for example, there should be some prior downtrend should be ended. How do I know it is ended? Right? It went above 10 EMA and came below 10 EMA again, and it has created the double bottom. That double bottom itself is a confirmation, is a trend reversal. If you see any trend reversal pattern, next time when the stock try to go above 10 EMA, just wait for a few days and see if there is any creating a hammer kind of a candle here, right? Once it created that, then you can see that how it went 13%, 14% up, right? So one is going with the trend, and just that is easy. This is after the downtrend end. How do I know downtrend end? Just going to the classical patterns like double bottom and all, you can identify that, right? Let's go to the next stock. Okay, so my turn. Let's see this. Okay, and you can see that this is also the same trend, the trend continuation we are trading. For example, previously there was a uptrend. Okay, it went below, right? So then it's tried to come up, right? And before it going up, it's created this hammer candle, right? So then that is going to be your entry, because when you go for the hammer candle, your accuracy will be increased. You cannot just trade EMA crossover or just like that. If you want to increase your accuracy, this is how you can do it properly. And this is one more thing, like for example, look at here, this is a trend reversal. How do I know trend reversal? Double bottom, the one trend is ended here, and and once it ended, it tried to go about 10 EMA and not able to sustain. Again, try to drop below. No, again it is picking up. Then once it is taking a support and coming up, you can see this is the candle. Hope you're able to identify this, right? So then that is a perfect entry. And can you see that exactly it is touched 10 EMA, then it is taken a support above this, and it is went above 22% in just 7 days. All right. So now home first. Okay, home first, we are going to take this home first. This is, look at this, this is like a trend reversal. I think that's the reason why I took it probably. Can you see this? Okay, there is a double bottom. Can you see the double bottom? Try to go about NEMA, the prior downtrend. Okay, and try to drop below. No, it's not happening. Then it's went above. Then here it is took a support at hammer, and then it is went above this 21% in just 6 days. Okay, home first. And VRL logistic. Now, can you see that there is a prayerly uptrend was there, then it is try to go below, then it's try to went above, and then look at this. This is a hammer candle it is created. Then look at how easy it is to trade in such a scenario. It is going with the trend, right? It's going to become even more easy for you. Then it went almost 12% up, right? Like that, you can find out many Dabur. Let me see the Dabur. And yeah, Dabur is there. You can see that, right? Already it was, double bottom was there, actually triple bottom, you can say. And after that, it is created here. Then, this you need a little bit of, practice, 10%, and you can exit. So next, the work is Swaraj. Swaraj, I think I need to see where it was taking a support. Swaraj engines, right? Yeah. Mm, yeah, look at this. For example, here, this is, can you see this? This is a double bottom. Once it create after the downtrend, it is created double bottom. It went about 10 EMA. Then it is try to take a support from this level. You can see that this is where the hammer candle is there. You can go for that entry. Then you can see within 4 to 5 days, 21%, right? Hope this stop loss is below. This one candle is a stop loss, and then remaining is whatever we discuss in this video, please take it as educational purpose, not an investment advice. Hope this helps. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave your opinion in a comment section. I'll be able to come up with the more videos like that to help you. It's all free education which I'm providing you here in these videos. So please support us, and support us to grow this channel. And thank you for your support, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Until then, please take care.